In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off profile picture comments on Facebook. So it's a little bit of a trick here. So go to your Facebook and go ahead and click your profile picture at the top left hand corner. And you want to click your photo once more. And then you want to go to see profile picture. So this is my profile picture. As you see, I have comments here on the picture itself. What you can do is go ahead and click and hold on the comment, and you can delete each comment that you have on your profile picture if you have it. But what you can do is go to the three dots at the top right hand corner and go ahead and hit edit privacy. Now, unfortunately, what you're going to do with this is you're going to do two things. One, turn off comments, but also turn off likes as well. So it's important to keep that in mind. So what you can do here is go to only me. That way, people will they'll be able to see your profile picture, but they won't be able to comment or like on it. So you would go ahead and hit done, and then it would change that privacy. And then from that point, nobody would be able to comment on your Facebook profile picture. Hope this was helpful and useful to you, and we'll see you in the next one.